friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in Capcut. So as you know that there is a new feature in Capcut, so you can add auto caption in your video. So how to do it, let's see in this video. First you have to just click on new project. So when you click on new project you will see like this. Now here you will see you have to just click on the import. Okay, now here I'm going to add any. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. Okay, and click on import. So now I have to just click on this add to track. Okay, now if you want to add auto captions on this video, so what you have to do, just select this one and go to text. So when you go to text, here you will see auto captions option. Now you have to choose the language. Okay, you can choose the language Hindi, English, or whichever language you want, and then you have to just click on create options. Now creating auto captions, and you will see that auto captions will be added to the video. So like this you can create auto captions in CapCut. Okay, wait for few seconds and will be done in few seconds only. So now you will see that. Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add subtitles. So like this you can CapCut. So like this you can add auto captions in your video. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.